Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Malcolm X. I'm sure our generation knows the importance of education, but what's important is where we get that education from. We all want education from an institution that can provide all our needs and make us a strong individual for tomorrow. So, I welcome you to Ram Narayan Ruya Autonomous College, Department of Computer Science and IT. What makes one a good student? Is it one's ability to score perfect grade? Or is it one's ability to have a perfect attendance? What makes one a good student is his or her ability to question things. So let us start by asking ourselves a few questions. Are you looking for employment and advanced studies? Are you looking for significant experiences in complex software development? Are you looking for 21st century skills for working in professional careers? Do you want to enhance your entrepreneurship skills? Do you want to inculcate that research temperament within you? If your answer is yes to any one of these questions, then I wholeheartedly invite you to the different courses that our department provides. Our department provides BSc in Computer Science, which is a 3-year program, MSc in Computer Science and MSc in Information Technology, both being 2-year programs. When we join a college, we all have a dream. Some of us wants to do something for our country and the people. Some of us wants to change the world, while some of us just want a good job. No matter what your dream is, we all need a few tools, skills and basic concepts to make them into reality. And our college provides you with those. So let's look at a few skills that we learned during our courses. Web development, AI and machine learning, Android development, database, network security, advanced IoT, microservices, data science, software development, digital forensics, software testing, cloud computing, Linux-based administration, blockchain technology, machine learning simulation and modeling, and many more skills. What comes after skills? The practices that makes us an all-round individual. Holistic development of students, project-based learning for students, educational visits, placement assistant, regular upgradation of curriculum, industrial collaborations, promoting certifications, alumni interactions, internships, social environment awareness. The career opportunities that you face after becoming an ex-student of Ruya College: multimedia programmer, data scientist, database administrator, cybersecurity consultant, game developer, machine learning engineer, teaching and training, system analyst and software engineering, and many more. Workshops and seminars. You don't even have to go anywhere else if something is there that is outside our curriculum and you want to learn it, because our college gives you the chance to learn it inside our college itself by giving multiple workshops and seminars. The infrastructure. Our college provides a very good lab and library to quench the thirst for the people who want a lot of knowledge from our college. Educational visits. For the students who want to go out and explore the actual industry, educational visits is the perfect opportunity that our college provides. Outreach activities helping our Students grow even in a social environment. Department's inter-college IT festival, TechStorm, where every alumni, every student of each year comes together and works to make a perfect festival.
Updated curriculum.
Best college.
Dedicated faculties.
Best department. Training and workshops.
Good infrastructure.
High configuration machines.
High bandwidth internet.
Individual system access.
Mini project exploration.
Project-based learning.
Innovative projects.
Soft skills development.
Holistic development.
Placements and internships.
Alumni interaction.
Peer learning.
One-to-one mentoring.
Educational visits.
Social and environment awareness activities.
Intercollegiate IT Fest TechStorm.
Further details, please visit the given links. Thank you for watching.